Good morning, everyone. Nature has gifted us many beautiful and precious gifts, and among such gifts is the plants. Plants are very important in our life. We depend upon them as they give us food and oxygen. Plants are of many sizes, color, and shape. The first thing that we need to learn under plants is types of plant. The first type of plant is herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They have green and soft stem. They are used for flavoring and garnishing food. Some examples of herbs are mint, coriander. The second type of plants are shrub. Small bushes are called shrubs. They have thin and hard stem. They have multiple branches and are shorter in height as compared to trees. Some examples are rose, jasmine, cotton, mehndi, and there are many more. The third is trees. Big plants are called as trees. They have hard, thick, and woody stem, which are called as trunks. Some examples are banyan, peepal, neem, mango. The next is climbers. These plants have thin and weak stem. They need support to grow. Some examples are money plant, grapevine. The next is creepers. These plants also have thin and weak stem. They grow along the ground. They creep on the ground because of their heavy fruit. Pumpkin, cucumber, watermelon are some examples of it. Now we shall understand the parts of plant. There are two parts of plant, the root and the shoot. The root is the part of plant which remains below the ground, and shoot is the part of plant that remains above the ground. There are four parts of the shoot, that is stem, leaves, flower and fruit. Types of root. The first thing that we need to learn under this is that there are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot have long, thick stem. Long, thick roots are attached to the stem. It has got a main root, and from this main root, many small roots grow out. Bean, peepal, mustard are some examples of it. Fibrous roots, when a number of roots grow from the end of the stem, these are called as fibrous roots, and they have no main root. You can see wheat, grass, rice and onion are some examples of it. Now let us understand the functions of roots. The first function of root is that the roots help to fix the plant in the soil. In the thunders, in the heavy winds, the plant is able to survive because of these roots. The second is that the roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and give to the stem. The third function of root is that some roots store food which can be eaten. And some examples of this is carrots, radish, beetroot. They have swollen roots. Functions of stem. The stem supports the plant above the ground. It bears branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. The second important function of stem is that they carry the water to the leaves and also the food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of the plant. Some stems store food for the plants. Some examples of this are potatoes, ginger, and there are many more. Leaves. The last part of the plant is leaves. The leaves are called as the food factory of the plant. They produce food, and so they are called as the food factory or the kitchen of the plant. Chlorophyll and stomata are the two main parts of the plant, are the two main parts of the leaves. Chlorophyll. The leaves have a green colored pigment called chlorophyll. It helps the leaves to prepare food. Stomata. These are small pores on the leaves and these help to breathe. How do plants make their food? They do not make food like us. That's a big question. Cooking on fire, stirring, these are not done by the plants. Now let us understand, how do plants make their food? Plants prepare their own food by a process called as photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means the glucose or the starch prepared by the food, which is necessary for its growth. Photosynthesis. Now this picture shows the process of photosynthesis. Leaves prepare food with the help of water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. This process is called as photosynthesis. Leaves make food during the daytime. They take in carbon dioxide from the air and give out oxygen in the making of food. Thank you.